So we rescued a stray cat. She literally came into our house and delivered these little kitties. That's the
I'm sorry.
That's the stray cat. Sorry guys. And no, Mama, you have to eat your own food later. And then we have Oreo over there thinking to see what's the next move. What we're not feeding him right now, but he can eat cat food, of course. So yeah, he's thinking in there, like what the heck. Venga, bacon. Lady, you never drink this milk and now you want this milk. How sweet is this?
You want some more?
So, we have, woman, we have bacon. Bacon, eat my Peppo. He's a boy. We have, she don't have a name yet. Arepa is a boy. And what's his name? Her name? Espresso. This one is Queen Cat. And one disappeared. His name is Avocado. He's a rescue. And that's a dachshund.